Hey guys, this channel is about productivity, financial freedom, planning, and lifestyle. I am Rana and this is My Plans on Paper. For my first video, let me show you my budget categories and how I budget my monthly income. So first, I have to list my source of income for the month, and that is my two paychecks paid to me every 15th and every end of the month. Then I have my expenses. I try to list down my expenses randomly as I recall them. So I have mortgage, food, debt payment, electricity, internet, phone, gas, credit card bills, association fees, and other miscellaneous items. Then I have my savings category, emergency fund, retirement fund, and sinking fund. So these are the three big categories on my budget. I have my income, my expenses, and my savings. So when I budget my paycheck, I try to consider all these categories. So for paycheck number one, I don't usually write paycheck one. I usually write the date when this budget will be used. I have to write down my budget before I receive my paycheck. So I have two columns for the amount, one for estimated and one for actual. So I have my income, which is the amount of that first paycheck. Then I have my expenses. I try to list down first my fixed expenses, those that I have to pay monthly and almost have the same amount, like mortgage, association fees, utility bills like electricity, internet, and phone. I have no water bill here because it is included in my association fee. Credit card bills if I have used my credit card the previous month. I always pay my credit card in full so I would not incur any interest from it. Then I have my personal loan, which I will be done paying this July. And then the next category will be variable expenses. And this category, I like to withdraw from my account and hold it as cash so I can control it easily. So I have food, gas, and miscellaneous expenses. Then I have my savings category. Emergency fund, which is a starter emergency fund. I would try to save 50,000 pesos for this. And this will only be used for emergency purposes. If my car broke down, need to have a tow and a fix, or need to find a mechanic or buy a battery, or any medical expense that is not covered by my hospitalization benefit at work. My retirement fund, however, will have a pause and I will just continue saving for this after saving for my starter emergency fund. After saving for that fund, I need to save 15% of my income to retirement. So I plan to invest my retirement fund in stocks, then consequently, I need to boost my starter emergency fund to 150,000. And then my sinking funds, which is a short-term fund for expected expenses. Those items that are not regular expenses, but you know that you will be paying in the near future. Like, for example, car registration. If you have a car, you know that yearly you have to pay for its registration. So, if you cannot afford to have that chunk of money removed from your paycheck on that month or use credit card, then just save it for the entire year. Also, your car insurance, my credit life insurance, fire insurance, property tax, Christmas, and birthdays. If you want to see how I make my sinking funds, please comment down below so I can show you complete details in another video. The utility and credit card bills, since their payment due will fall after I receive my first paycheck, it will not appear on the budget for my second paycheck. Now, this will be different for other people. It depends on when their bills arrive and how they allocate payment for these bills. So, if you would like to start budgeting your paycheck, have all these things considered. Please bear in mind that all of us are different and there is no perfect budget for everyone. Budgeting is personal and it will not be perfect the first time you try it. You can change things along the way and try different budgeting methods. Devise something that is perfect for you. If you like this type of videos, click the like button and please consider subscribing. If you have questions or other topics similar to this that you want me to discuss, please leave me a message on the comment section down below. That is all for today and see you on the next video. Bye!